Hello, it's Michael, Crazy Fire Outdoor. Today, we're doing a little river fishing. We're back here by the front gate of Pecan at the old bridge. We came here last night, caught a pretty good blue cat, and so today we're gonna come out and set some lines and see if we can't fill up a cooler. Thank you for watching. If you've not liked and subscribed, please do so. Let's get fishing. All right, so we're all set up. We got 2 poles in the water. Whenever Tracy gets here, I'm sure he'll bring a couple of poles, but right now I have a treble hook set up. It's a little small, so we might have to change it later. And then I have a circle hook set up. Both of them have drop weights on them, and both of them have leaders. So that's what we're fishing with. I'm going to set up, drink me a little beer, and just hang out, because this is going to be our spot for the day. All right, found me a little shady spot. It's a little warm today, but it is a beautiful day. Beautiful day to be outside and enjoying it. As a matter of fact, across the creek, or across the river here, we have, I don't know, 20, 30 people about to go kayaking. I've seen there's 2 that just now went by. So they're out enjoying the day. And we're set up in the shade, fishing. You got a cold drink. Not much more that you can ask for. So waiting on my father-in-law to get here, and we're gonna have a good day. All right, had our first customer of the day. Not what we're looking for. Calm down, sir. There he is. All right, gonna get him back in. All right, well, had our first customer of the day. Pretty good sized gar. Obviously, we don't want to catch gars, so it managed to mess up my line, take out my weight. It was the whole thing. So got them off, got them back in there, got them doing gar stuff again, and we're back to fishing. Still on there? No. Well, had a little bite. You just got here. That's not bad. How much you think on this one? Pound 12 ounces. Yeah. Nothing. Well, gonna wrap up the fishing there at 6:30 or so, and I have got to take my beautiful bride out for dinner. Went fishing last night, went fishing today, and if I don't get her out of the house, I could be in trouble. So had a good day. Caught the two catfish today, one last night. A little more to put in the freezer for our fish fry next week. And but all in all, had a really good day and enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending the time. If you have not liked and subscribed, please do so. And we'll catch you next time.